In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove your profile picture from your Outlook account. Whether you want to delete your current photo or replace it with a new one, the process is simple. Open Outlook in your web browser and sign in to your Microsoft account. Once you're on the Outlook home page, click your profile picture in the top right corner, then select My Microsoft Account or My Profile. Go to Your Info, then click Change Photo. If your account allows it, you'll see the Remove Photo option. Click Remove Photo, then confirm the change and save your settings. If the Remove Photo option isn't available, your profile picture may be managed by your work or school organization. In that case, you'll need to contact your Microsoft 365 administrator to remove or change it. After the changes are saved, refresh Outlook or sign out and back in if needed. Your profile picture will no longer appear on your account. That's how to remove your Outlook profile picture. Thanks for watching.